Greetings, everyone, and welcome. My name is Kris, and we're going to be talking about one thing that has changed in my viewpoint since my first full year as an entrepreneur, and that is centered around the way I view my time. So, when I first started being an entrepreneur, the only thing I would see was the end result in the money. I wouldn't really see anything else. It was just, okay, I can make this amount of money, and that's all that mattered. But what I noticed, this has been changed for a little while now, but I realized it was now I look at how many hours of my time I have to pour into that project, whatever I'm doing, and am I going to take this on or not? And there have been some that I've passed up on because I just don't feel like spending the time on it. I realized that my time could be better spent elsewhere. And the cool thing is that since I've been doing this, I've been making more money and I've been a lot happier. So I'm going to give you guys an example of how I learned this looking back. So it was February of last year. It was my first full month as an entrepreneur. And I took on this project that I believe I was going to make about $3,000 worth of profit. And I didn't realize how much work was going to have to be put into this. So I ended up spending about 80 hours worth of work. So I only made about a little less than $40 an hour, which was pretty disheartening in the sense because I spent a week and a half. That's all I did for a week and a half was this one project that I really wasn't even that passionate about to begin with. And after that, I kind of changed the way I thought, but it was just slowly just trial and error and just learning from my mistakes. So now I don't do that at all. I see, here's how much money can be made. Here's my time that it's probably going to take. And then I make the decision based off that. How much is my time worth? Do I want to just completely pass on it? Do I want to hire someone to do that for me? And then just an example of me succeeding at this would be, for example, these videos. It's not that I can't learn how to edit videos. I just would rather pay someone else to do it. I would have to learn how to make those videos. I would have to, and then even once I knew what I was doing, I would still have to spend the time to do it. And so then it just comes down to how much is my time worth? And I feel like, some of you guys out there, you're thinking, Kris, I already think this way. And I wish I would have, saw a video like this maybe a year ago, and it probably would have changed up things sooner. So I hope at least one person who sees this video gets some value out of it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this, and let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video.